The job offer. You get an email at 2:47 a.m. No subject line, just a location, a photo, and a number. $500 a day. Watch him. Report everything. Don't make contact. The photo shows a man in his 30s, brown hair, dead eyes, standing in front of a coffee shop in Brooklyn. You need the money. You reply, yes. The response is instant. Start tomorrow, 6 a.m. He leaves his apartment at 6:23 a.m. every day. Follow protocol. You'll receive further instructions. No signature, no company name. You should ask questions. You don't. Day 1. You're outside his building at 5:50 a.m. Red brick, fire escape, 3rd floor corner window. 6:23 a.m. The door opens. He steps out, gray hoodie, headphones in, hands in pockets. You follow from across the street. He walks 4 blocks, stops at a bodega, buys coffee, black, no sugar. Then he does something strange. He looks directly at a security camera, stares at it for 7 seconds, then keeps walking. Your phone buzzes. Good work. Same time tomorrow, $500 deposited. You check your account. It's there. The pattern. Day 3, same routine. But now you notice things. He stops at every security camera on his route, looks directly at each one. Sometimes he mouths words you can't read lips. At the coffee shop, he sits in the same seat, facing the window. He writes in a notebook for exactly 12 minutes, never looks at his phone, never talks to anyone. At 8:47 a.m., he leaves, walks to the subway, takes the L train to Union Square, gets off, walks to another coffee shop, does it again. Same notebook, same 12 minutes. Your phone buzzes. He knows he's being watched. This is normal. Continue. Your stomach drops. How does he know? The first sign. Day 7. You're getting comfortable. This is easy money. He's leaving the bodega when he stops, turns around, looks directly at you. You freeze. He tilts his head, studies you. Then he pulls out his phone, takes a photo. Of nothing. He's aiming it at empty space 2 feet to your left. He looks at the photo, frowns, takes another. Same spot, not at you. Then he keeps walking. Your phone. Did he make contact? You. No, he took photos of empty space near me. Response. Normal behavior. He believes he's being watched by something that doesn't appear in photographs. Continue observation. Something that doesn't appear in photographs. What the hell did you sign up for? The notebook. Day 12. He leaves his notebook on the subway seat. You watch him exit at Union Square. The notebook stays. This is your chance. You grab it before the doors close. The pages are filled with the same sentence hundreds of times. They think I can't see them, but I know they're there. Over and over. Different handwriting styles, different pens. Some pages are dated, going back 4 years. The last page has today's date and a new sentence. The watcher is getting closer. Soon they'll be real enough to touch. You drop the notebook. Your phone. Return the notebook to his apartment. Building code 4782, apartment 3C. Key under the mat. He's at the coffee shop for 47 more minutes. You don't want to, but $500 a day. You go. Inside. The apartment is normal. Too normal. Everything is beige, symmetrical, clean. But the walls, every single wall is covered in photographs, hundreds of them. Security camera footage, printed, annotated. Red circles around empty spaces, arrows pointing to nothing. Dates and times written in the margins. There's a photo from this morning. You're in it, but there's a red circle around the space next to you and a note. Subject 7, following same pattern as Subject 6, manifesting physical form. Estimate 3 to 4 weeks until full corporeal state. Your hands shake. You put the notebook back on his desk. You leave. Good. Bonus $1,000. You're doing excellent work. You want to quit, but you don't. The others. Day 19. You're not alone anymore. There are others watching him too. A woman in a black coat, different spot every day. An older man with a camera, always across the street. You never see them arrive, they're just there. He sees them too, takes photos of the empty space around them, writes in his notebook. You try to make eye contact with the woman once. She looks through you, like you're not there. Your phone. Do not interact with other observers. They are at different stages of the program. Different stages? What program? What is this? No response for 6 hours. Then, you're watching someone who exists between states. He's anchoring you. Continue observation. Payment increased to $1,000 per day. You should run. The money keeps you there. The shift. Day 24. You wake up at 5:50 a.m. You don't remember setting an alarm. You're already dressed, shoes on, keys in hand. You're outside his building before you realize you don't remember leaving your apartment. This has been happening for 3 days now. Autopilot. He exits at 6:23 a.m., looks directly at you, smiles, mouths something. You can read lips now. Almost real. Your phone never buzzes anymore. The money still appears every day. You can't remember what your apartment looks like. You can't remember what you did before this job. The mirror. Day 32. He breaks routine. Instead of the coffee shop, he walks to a store, buys a mirror, small, handheld, walks to the park, sits on a bench, holds up the mirror, angles it toward you. You see yourself, but there's something behind you in the reflection, a shadow, a shape, humanoid, but wrong. You spin around, nothing there. You look back at the mirror. The shape is closer to you now, touching your shoulder. You can't feel it, but he can see it. He's writing in his notebook, sketching. The shape in the mirror has your face, but empty eyes. He holds up the notebook, shows you. The sketch looks exactly like what's in the mirror. Under it, Subject 7, Day 32, full manifestation in progress. They don't know they're becoming what they're watching. The truth. Day 37. You're sitting in the coffee shop. You don't remember walking here. He's sitting across from you. You can't move. You were hired to watch me, he says. His voice sounds far away. But I was hired to watch you. He slides a photo across the table. It's you, taken from across the street, 4 months ago, before you got the email, before the job. They send watchers to anchor people like me, people who exist too loosely, who need to be observed to stay real. He leans forward. But the watchers, you become what you observe. You trade places. I get to be real again, solid, documented. Your hands are translucent. You can see the table through them. And you become the next job posting, the next watcher, the next person who needs someone to observe them so they don't disappear completely. He stands up, picks up your phone from the table. You didn't notice it was there. He shows you the screen, an email sent from your account, 2:47 a.m. last night. No subject line, just a location, a photo, and a number. $500 a day, Watch her, report everything, don't make contact. The photo shows you, standing outside a building, dead eyes. Someone has already replied, yes. He puts the phone down. Your replacement starts tomorrow, 6 a.m. You leave your apartment at 6:23 a.m. every day now. You'll follow protocol. He walks toward the door, turns back. Oh, and don't worry, the money keeps coming. You'll need it for the notebook, the photos, the proof that you're still real. He leaves. You sit there. You can't remember your name, but you know you need to buy a notebook, and tomorrow at 6:23 a.m. you'll leave your apartment, because someone needs to watch you, someone needs to keep you real, someone who doesn't know yet that they don't exist. The cycle continues.